lost it. Sliding like it took me out.
What up? What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike. 3-time check on another video. Hey, we done beat the road. We in Birmingham right now. Finna pull up on a little car meet or whatever. URO Miko. I don't know how to. Hey, my fault if I'm mispronouncing your name, bro. But we finna be deep, bro. Like, I can already see the little spot from here. We drove all the way from the Gunk, you feel me? Hit that hour-and-a-half drive just to get y'all this footage, this content. We not finna be going too crazy, cause like I said, Mike just watched his car. So Mike ain't going crazy. Let me show y'all how the car looks, by the way. So we not going too crazy, y'all. Nothing too wow. But so yeah. Had to clean my baby up. I've been up since like 8 o'clock this morning, y'all, trying to get y'all this footage. Well, cleaning the car up, preparing for this whole weekend to get y'all some footage, bro. I'm going to let y'all know, Mike is not gonna be the type to be doing all the burnouts, all the craziness, and hey, Mike only go to illegal events. Mike ain't with all that take over the this and that. Bro. I be chilling, bro. I got a career. I got a 9 to 5 and I like my job. I don't like being in jail, so go with it. But anyway, y'all, we finna go ahead and pull up to the spot real quick. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a second.
Yeah, play with it, gelato with my own again. We slide with Drake.
Hey, what up? I'm Mike.
I'm Nico.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Hey, what up, Mike? What up?
Nice to meet you.
So what y'all on?
We put a like to turn up, like we put a.
So I'm here to promote, you know what I'm saying? RBK, you know what I'm saying? Father RBK, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, y'all go ahead and mess with these brands, y'all.
Yeah, y'all shop.
12 be hot out here.
Not for real. They'll just pull up.
Yeah.
And we'll just go off like bees and stuff.
Oh, okay. For sure.
On certain weekends, I feel like night riders, you know what
Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. Hey, what up? I'm Mike. Mike.
Was you in that wide by the bed up?
Hell yeah. I just got that bit like 2-3 weeks ago. Hell yeah. That bitch so trim for real.
What you got? Muffler delete?
Yeah, it's the muffler delete. I'm thinking about going ahead and cutting the resonators too, but I don't know yet.
Wake them up.
Cause they be loud in the morning, so I'm like, I don't know. I might get some headers too. God damn. Hey, what up, bro?
What up, bro? You straight?
Yeah, hell yeah, I'm Mike.
Damn.
They tripping, bro. I didn't even do nothing. We ain't do nothing. They got 12. They done blocked us in, bro. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Damn! Damn! See what happened? See what happened? I lost it.
Yeah. Hey, but look though, we gotta make this shit quick though, bro.
Yeah, we gotta
We're making.
Yeah, work.
Yeah, like, at least get some shit. That hoe kept going. Give me a chop.
Goddamn YouTube. Sliding like it took me out.
But for real, the nigga called RJ. Now he told.
Man, Kobe moved all the way in time.
I tried to cut
But Kobe just walking. That thing, we just looked at this shit happen. I'm looking at him, looking at us.
Cut that hoe. As soon as I seen that hoe went too far, I tried to cut that hoe.
We are in Mexico, Alabama. All this shit is legal.
Hey, whoever got that, Rick, please send me that footage. I'm sorry. That's on YouTube.
I better get it for it. That's why I see it somewhere else.
YouTube channel, bro.
Mike 3 times.
Y'all feel me? Mike 3 times, you know, behind the camera, man. You feel me? Y'all tap into me, man. JR Films, man. Me and the cat, you feel me? Run the cat. Shit help me, goddamn.
Yeah, we need to be calling these glizzy. We need to be calling the phone.
I need you, nigga. Hey, I need you. I need the glizzy. Look, I need the glizzy.
Man, I need it. Money good. These niggas.
Money good. I need it.
These niggas. You know, it's always bad luck behind this nigga.
Bomb hard. Nigga can't drive, man.
Oh, I seen that whole
That man can't drive. I'm over here. We about to jet the car in the air. Man in here trying to play booty bump.
Hey, why by the key now?
ASAP. ASAP.
That shit, the whole goddamn. I'm glad my diff ain't fucked up though.
Nigga, the diff is gone, nigga.
Cow, that's just an arm. Man, tell my dog come get me right, man.
Up, man. It fucked up, man. It fucked up, bro.
You think there's a whole deal? Fuck that nigga though. We still love. Hey, what you say? Oh, hey,
You want to take it, though? We can take it, though.
Alright. You get on my nerves too, that's why I hit your song already. Lame ass nigga, that's why I hit your ass. Lame ass. Hold on, man. Let me get somebody else. God, tired of y'all videos. Slime like Rick. Come on. Slime like Rick this shit. Come on, tired of that shit.
Hey man, say man vlog, that shit is crazy, bro. Like, I seen that shit as it was happening, bro. I'm like, bro, ain't no fucking way, bro. Like, of course he gonna miss that bitch, barely tap it. Hell no, he fucked that bitch up, y'all. Like, I'm talking about this motherfucking car like he goddamn right in between the child. Yeah, that. Let me stop playing with y'all, but yeah, he gonna bounce down 10 pound hard. I'm already knowing, bro. He gonna get the wide body, all of that. I'm already knowing. You ain't got no choice. Once you fuck it up like that, you gotta go wide body. So, hey, y'all make sure y'all tap in with this man. YouTube, IG, all of that, cause he gonna need y'all support so you can get that wide body kit done, boy. Cause really and truly, y'all done seen this car in other vlogs, y'all, and it's so trim. Like, he was in the process of re-wrapping the crazy part about it, bro. Well, yeah. So make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a second.
I already been in your predicament already. A nigga hit me. In your predicament, I had to buy a dough, had to get a quarter-pound fix, and the shit that broke up on your car, I had to get fixed. When I first got the damn car.
Damn, bitch, first day down here.
Oh, boy, what? This shit crazy.
Down here, bitch. That shit gonna be straight though.
Yeah,
that's an easy feat. Bitch.
Yeah. Yeah, as long as he didn't fuck his frame up, he's straight.
Good. Man, I don't give a fuck about nothing. I don't understand that shit. Y'all talking about you good.
I'm already knowing, but
Niggas don't care nothing about that shit when you done had to do that shit once or twice.
The good thing is just the bumper though. It's just the bumper.
Niggas don't care nothing about none of that.
Then you gotta get the pain in.
I done done this shit more than once.
I'm already knowing.
That's the whole.
Yeah.
I gotta do body work because I'm a real car nigga, bro. I don't like shit that do together, bro. You go when you look me up, you gonna see.
Yeah.
You look
Oh yeah, I
up
done seen you at H-Town before. I got to see some of my videos.
Nah, I got
yeah.
real cars outside
Yeah.
this fucking, this ain't shit.
Don't you got like an Infinity or some shit? Yeah, I seen it.
Like, girl, like, that shit ass.
Too wide, man.
I'm finna come over here and put tires on. Yeah, that's why, you feel when I'm going to do my figure 80 because spending out tire ball here.
Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't tell my shit up like that. I wouldn't tell my shit on your nerve, though, don't you?
Shit.
There go my boy. I wouldn't tell my shit up like that.
I ain't do shit. Nigga, I was just like this. Shit, he got hit. Nervous.
Nigga slandered today. He ain't hit.
Oh, damn. I
Slandered
told
to
you.
that motherfucker that.
Damn.
Nigga, I don't be hitting shit. Nigga, got either dodge a nigga or goddamn shit. We collide. Fuck.
You like the car?
Is it mango red or no?
Huh?
What's the kind of what color?
It's a tour. It's called Tour Red. Yeah. You want to hear it?
Huh?
You want to hear it?
Sure, why not? You know
Yeah.
what? I got the Hayabusa.
Oh yeah, I want a Gixxer 600.
Okay, I'm not.
Oh, that's cool.
Why you prefer 600, not 1000?
Because I'm a beginner.
Honestly, don't worry about that. I start with 1000.
Oh wow, yeah.
Like
I don't know if I had a throttle
it
control.
depends. Compared to this, respect to your brain.
Yeah.
Honestly, you can start with 1000
Okay.
because 600 is gonna be not enough for you.
Yeah. But anyway, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. As y'all can tell, that was a crazy like event, and I was not expecting none of that to happen, bro. For T to crash into JR, and if I don't know if I got it all the way on camera, but what happened was JR in the red Hellcat, he had a blowout, a double blowout actually. So he was pulled over to change tires by the cars, which is all that space away from the pit. T fucked around, he got down, slid it too hard, bam, right into him, bro. Hey, I'm going back in this video right now and realize I was not talking much at all in this vlog. So y'all just gonna have to excuse the low energy in the beginning of this video. But anyway, y'all, shout out Miko, you hosted a great event. Shout out to dude, the little clothing brand, RBK Studios, I think that stands for Rollback. If not, correct me in the comment section. Shout out to y'all young doing it and popping it. And next time y'all host the event, please let me know, because I'm gonna pull up to every single one of them. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, and subscribe down below. And drop in the comment section more video ideas, because I'm open to doing any and everything. Like, who knows, maybe one video I'll slide. Matter of fact, I will slide at a certain milestone. Y'all drop that in the comment section, and I would slide or do a burnout just for y'all. But anyway, y'all, it's been your boy Mike 3 times. I'm gonna check back in with y'all in the next video. Peace.